Hey everyone, and welcome to the Monday Market Breakdown. Now, guys, in this session, we're going to be analyzing pairs that we're going to be focusing on for the week. So let us get into it. So the first pair that I'm focusing on is going to be the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. So this one, starting on the high time frame, let us work our way down. So in the high time frame, we do see price coming from what? From this heavy impulsive movement and then giving us what? This sideways corrective structure that we can identify as a what? As being a continuation pattern. As you can see, price did break out. So overall, this is having what? A higher probability of continuing to climb all the way to the upside. And now moving on to our mid-term frame, we do see that this is our impulsive movement. This is our sideways corrective structure. So we can identify this as being what? Our overall corrective structure that is in the form of what? Of a continuation. So this is having higher probability of climbing up. And now coming on to the lower time frame, where we look for our entry. So let me align this proper first and make sure that my structure is looking neat. So this overall, we do see price giving us this impulsive movement following with this small corrective structure over here. So with this one, this is confirming that it is having a higher probability of impulsing all the way to the upside. So we're looking to enter on the breakout, place our stops below, and our take profit all the way to the upside. So this is how I'm looking at the New Zealand dollar over the US dollar. Now, the next pair on my watch list is going to be what? The US dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this one also starting on the higher time frame and working our way down. So in the high time frame, having this is our impulsive movement, and then this is what is our sideways corrective structure that is in a form of a continuation pattern that we can identify over here. So price did break out. So this is having what a higher probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. And now coming on to our daily time frame, we do see that this is our impulsive movement. This is what our sideways corrective structure. So also with this one, we do see that price is having what a high probability of impulsing all the way to the downside. And now coming on to our intra-time frame, let me align this proper. So with this one, what do we see? Price did come from this impulsive movement, and it is giving us what this small corrective structure. So how are we looking to execute an entry? And from the breakout, stops above, and what our take profit all the way to the downside, like so. So this is how I am looking at the US dollar over the Canadian dollar. And now for my final pair, which is going to be the Great British Pound over the Australian dollar. So also with this one, we'll remove everything and start from the high time frame. So on the high time frame with this one, we do see price coming from this impulsive movement, giving us what this small corrective structure. Although it is small, but it is valid, as we do have what two swing points that we can align over here and two swing lows that we do see. So this is confirming to be having a higher probability of climbing all the way to the upside. And now coming on to our daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, we do see price giving us this impulsive movement, and this is what our continuation pattern that already did form a breakout. So this is having a higher probability of climbing up. So now on the lower time frame, we do adjust this proper so we can see this continuation clearer. So on the lower time frame, what are we looking for in order for us to be able to execute an entry? So price is already from this impulsive movement. We're waiting to see whether this will be what a corrective structure. So if this is a continuation pattern, that is when we look to do it to execute our buys on the breakout, like so, and our stop loss below, and what our take profit all the way to the upside. So this is how I am looking at what the Great British Pound over the Australian dollar. So yeah, guys, those are the main three pairs that I'm focusing on for this week. I will continue to give you an update on the progress of this pass. But for now, this is the end of the session. Take care and I'll see you next time.